Hey everyone, let's solve today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is the kth lexicographical string of all happy strings of length n. A happy string is a string that consists only of letters of set A, B, C, and s of I is not equal to s of I plus 1 for all the values of I from 1 to s dot length minus 1. Okay. And for example, string ABC, ACB, this ABCB, ABCBC, okay, are all happy strings because there is no repetitive, okay, like continuous same character like AA. Okay, like that. Here you can see AAB, AA, ABA, are not a happy string. Okay, so this is one condition, and the other condition is it should consist this A, B, and C only. These three characters only. Okay, so we are given two strings, two integers, n and k. Consider a list of all happy strings of length n, sorted in lexicographical order. List of happy strings of length n sorted in lexicographical order. We have to return the kth string of this list or return an empty string if there are less than k happy strings of length n. Okay, so this is the n. Okay, what is n? N will be size of string, and k is what? K is we have to return kth element, kth lexicographical, like kth string in the list, and list is sorted. Okay, and this list consists of what? Happy strings. Okay, now here what we will do is k is the size of string, size of happy string. We will happy string, what we will do, we will store happy strings in our let's take we will take a list, and then we will return the kth value. Okay, so here how we can solve this question is, this is like we are given these three characters, and using three characters we have to build a string length of n. Okay, so let's say here n is 1, so the output here you can see is C, because the list we will get is this, and the k is that 3, that means the third, so it is returning C. So let's take now this n is equal to 1 and k is equal to 4, but we can have only this list, right, with n is equal to 1. So k is 4, so we are returning empty string. And if n is 3 and k is 9, so let's take n is 3. Let's I'll use a paint to make you understand what is n is 3 and k is 9. Here our n is equal to 3 and k is equal to 9. So what are our characters? Are this A, B, and C. So we'll start with A. Okay, let's take first as here I'll say A. Okay, now for A, what other options we have is, we can combine this with B, we can combine this with again A, or you can say ABC, or we can combine with C. So here I can have A, B, and C. Okay, now this path we will not follow because they are repetitive. What is our condition? Our condition is s of I should not be equal to s of I plus 1. Okay, so we will not go through which this path. Now this A B, again for B, how many choices or option you have? Again A B C, three characters. So we'll have A, B, and C. It's like A, B and C. Now this will reject this. Again B are same, so we'll not consider this. So we got, what is our size? N is 3, right? So this is the size is also 3. A B A. So we got what? We got A B A and we got A B C. Okay, with this part. Now if we see the next C, for C again we have A. Again we can combine with A, we can combine with B, and we can combine with C. Okay, so anyway this path we will not go. This C wala path jo hai, okay, we will not continue this. So here I'll add A and B. Okay, so what string I'll get is ACA and ACB. So this is what, this is with A, starting with the A. Okay, now we are again we can do for what, we can find for B. Again we can find for C. So for B, again what are theirs? A, B and C. So this path it will not follow as B are same. Now here it is A, here it is C. Again for this we have three choices: A, B and C. A, B and C. So we will not do this, will not follow this path. Again we have B, A, B and B, A, C. Okay. Again for C we can have A, B and C. Okay, so for this we'll get B, C, A, B, C, B. Okay, this path we will not follow. Now for C again, how many we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 we got. Now for C, what are the options? Are A, B and C. Again this path anyway will not continue. This is CA. AA will not get. Then again we can say B and C, and here also A and C, and again here A and B. By the way, what is our K? K is 9. So we already got 8. This means the next which we are getting, that is C, A, B. So this is what, this is our answer, because ninth element. So here you can see the answer we got C, A, B. Right, ABA, ABC, ACA, ACB, BAB, BAC, BAC. Oh, okay, like that we can find this, and our answer we got CAB. Okay, so this, how can we do this? This we are going to implement using the recursion. So what we will do, we will just use a for loop for this ABC, and again we will call the same recursion call for the let's say we are using a string builder, and we will append this A, and we will call for all this. Again we will append with this A, and we will call for all this. Okay, and we will check with the previous one. So for this A, I will check with the previous if it is same or not. If it is same, we want to skip, because this will be not the happy string, right? So if not, we will let use. And then again what I will do, so if I go in this way, I want to remove this. Okay, anyway we are not including. If I included B, and if I include again A, while coming back, if I want to this path or this path, let's say I want to remove A from my string, answer string, so I have to remove. So after that call, after this one call, okay, so we have to remove. First we have to append and we have to remove. Okay, so let's start coding. what we need is let's say array list of string answer new array list. We need one string builder which will build our string. Okay, basically whatever we are we can have multiple, like we are inserting in this answer, that strings we are going to build. Now let's say I will create one more function, or here build a string. Here we will pass our n, we will pass our answer, we will pass sb, and one more what we need is what, k. Okay, and at the end we will return if my answer dot size is less than k, then we have to return empty string. It is if it is huh, and if else we will return what, answer dot get key minus 1. Now write this build string void build string, where we have int n comma answer is this array list, int k, and string builder sp. Okay, now what will be our base condition? If my sb dot length, if it is equal to n. Okay, if it is equal to n, then okay. Now what we will do, that time we got sb, so here we will add answer dot add sb dot toString. Okay, now for int I is equal to 0 to I less than what, okay, we want what, we want this thing, we want one char array new char of size 3, where arr of 0 will be my a, and arr of 1 will be my b, because we want only these characters, right? So from where we will get this, we have to build this. Okay, so we have this characters. Okay, now here what we will do, see, here this was the n is equal to 3 was case. If n is equal to 4, anyway again this a have again 3 options, right? A, B and C. So we can get A, B, A, B also. So don't get confused here. So here what we will write, less than, here instead of K, let's pass this ARR, char ARR, char array. Okay. Now here what we will write, less than 3 I plus plus, where what we will do, first we will do sb dot to string. Before that, okay, before that what we will check is if my let's say sb dot length, if it is equal to 0, or that means if it is equal to 0 just add this, that means the first case. Else what we have to check, sb dot uh, char at current, that means what is the current, this I. Okay, um, it not I, it should be like sb dot caret sb dot length minus 1. Okay, length minus 1, sb dot equal to length, or what we are going to check is this a, okay, should not be equal to this. So it should not be equal to my current char, so my ar of I. Then only what we will do, sb dot append ar of I, and again I'll call the same build string method with n, with answer, with arr and sp. And again after coming out of that call, okay, what we'll do, delete caret caret sb dot length minus 1. Okay, so let me run this. What we are doing here is, let's see if we get any error. Yes. Okay, here it should be to string. Let me submit. Yeah, you can say accepted. So what we did, first we added that, and again at the end again we removed it after that call. So that means for this a I am adding this a, but for this b which is starting from b I have to remove this, right? So every time when I'm going like A to A, here we are anyway not going. If I'm going B, we appended B, and again this anyway this path we are not. The if condition it fails, again sorry, this condition fails for A. What we will do? We will append. So with what I got A B A. But again, if I'm coming this consider this as a recursive calls. Okay. So if I want to come in this way, so I want to remove this A, so that I'll get only AB and I can append C. So we'll get a ABC. Okay, so for that we are what? We are just deleting that char at that position. Here you can see that our solution got accepted. So this video I explain using the recursion this question. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated. Thank you.